All right, welcome back. We made our first profits in the last episode. Yay! Congratulations, we're winning, as we always do. But let's talk about the risk that you took to make those profits, because after all, every time you buy a stock, it could go down. And so far, we've learned how to buy a stock, and when it's making a profit, we've learned how to sell it. But what if you went to sleep overnight and woke up and it was way down? Or what if you went to work, to play, and the stock went down throughout the day, and when you finally came back and checked, it had gone down quite a bit? Well, that's dangerous, and we don't want you losing money without protection. So it's easy to protect your account and your trade with a stop loss. Now, this is important. The way we win is we limit the amount we're willing to risk on the downside while making tons of profits on the upside. So if my explanation isn't quite enough, use your friend Google. Learn all about stop losses and how to protect your account. But the bottom line is this: going back to those $5 shares that we bought, suppose if you follow copyandwin.com that you follow my strategies, which say never risk more than 5% of your trade to the downside. Well, a $5 stock, 5% lower would be $4.75, right? Simple math. So if the most you want to risk is a 5% loss on any given trade, and again, we spell it all out at copyandwin.com on great strategies and how to do that, then you don't want to have the stock go any lower than $4.75, right? So your 5% stop loss is easy. You go back to your trading platform after you own your shares. Remember, you've got 2 shares of a $5 stock, and you simply click on that order, usually called a position, and you set a sell order for a stop loss. So you're going to sell on a limit, and in this case, you're going to sell at a $4.75 limit. Now, if you do it as a sell limit, same as a stop loss, that will only sell your stock if the price comes down from $5 to $4.75. And then what happens? Your stock will get sold, you'll take your 5% loss, but that will all happen while you're away from your computer, and you'll be protected to the downside. You'll never come back later and find out you lost all of your money. So before you start trading real money, it's very important that you know how to protect your account. Every trader has different stop loss targets for themselves. Again, I recommend 5% max on any one trade. And as we get further along in this series, we'll talk about how I diversify trades and I never put all my eggs in one basket. We do all of that and we win every day on copyandwin.com. We're learning how to trade. I hope this is educational for you. We're having fun and we're getting rich together. Love you.